Welcome to the Advanced Therapies Apprenticeship Community, ATAC. ATAC has been established to ensure that this breakthrough industry has the people it needs to succeed. We're here to help as you onboard your apprentices and guide them on their journey. Apprenticeships are based on acquiring the knowledge, skills and behaviours that define the standard for the specified role. Employers have been instrumental in designing the ATAC programme to meet the industry's needs. 80% of apprentices' time is spent in on-the-job training and 20% in off-the-job learning. Line managers help apprentices to set up and manage their individual learning plan and support them as they become professionally competent. You'll introduce them to their training provider and the ATAC team, who'll provide access to the wider industry. You will help apprentices to plan their time and meet them regularly to answer questions, share knowledge and keep them focused. You will also work with training providers to ensure apprentices grow into their role, acquire the knowledge, skills and behaviours required for their final assessment, and help deliver your business goals. The ATAC programme helps by offering line managers complimentary support on how the apprenticeship standards should be met, including providing onboarding and training plans. We arrange local networking events to introduce you to other employers so that you can share best practice. We also arrange industry site visits, webinars with industry leaders and conferences. In addition, the ATAC website contains useful resources, including checklists, presentations, contacts and case studies. ATAC is here to set you and your apprentices on the road to success, and you'll have a regional contact to support you. Contact apprenticeshipsinfo@ct.catapult.org.uk to find out more.